How to install Java extension in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can input or download this extension. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left, on the bottom, you'll be able to see this box-like icon. Simply tap on it. Now this is the place where you can add different extension. So here on the search bar, simply search for Java. So here there are different suggestions that are available. Now simply tap on the one that you can install. So here I'm tapping on install. Now it will take some time, so this will automatically install all the extension and you'll be able to code in Java too. Now tap on trust publisher. So it will take some time and you'll be able to use it efficiently. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.